Hi guys, it's Miss Tara. Today we have another activity that's really good to wake up your brains, get your visual motor centers moving, get your bilateral centers moving in your brain before you do any of your OT work. Okay, my lovely assistant is going to show us how to do this activity. You're going to need a puzzle or a game with pieces at one end, and you're going to need the target at the other end. Okay, are you ready? Go ahead, lovely assistant. You're going to roll and get one piece. And you're going to roll back and you're going to look. You could turn that puzzle around, Marin. It's upside down if you want. You're going to look and you're going to place it in the target. And you roll back. Okay. And get it all the way in. Are you getting dizzy, Marin?
No.
No, it's also good because you're getting a lot of input on your body through the floor, a lot of deep pressure. Very good. All right, you could stop. All right, so that's it for today. That's the warm-up for before your handwriting or cutting lessons. Have a great day.